In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out from Gcash. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, open the Gcash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with your credentials. If you're not, go ahead and input your email and password. This app is the gateway to managing your finances quickly and efficiently. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you'll find it quite intuitive once you get started. Once you have the app open, tap on the transfer option. This is your key to moving your money from Gcash to your bank account. The transfer button is usually located prominently on the app's main screen. By tapping transfer, you're essentially starting the process of cashing out. This step is crucial because it sets the ball rolling for your transaction. Now select your bank from the list provided. You might see familiar names like BPI, BDO, and others. It's important to choose the correct bank to ensure your funds go to the right place. Each bank might have slightly different procedures, but Gcash streamlines the process. This choice determines where your money will land, so take a moment to double-check. After selecting your bank, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Think of this as telling the system how much of your Gcash balance you want to move. Be careful to enter the exact amount you intend to transfer. This ensures you send the right sum and avoid any potential errors or miscalculations. Remember, the amount you enter here is what will show up in your bank account. With everything set up, confirm the transaction details. Double-check the bank name and the amount. Once you're sure, proceed with the transfer. This step is vital because it finalizes your request. You will receive a notification confirming the transaction. This notification is a reassurance that everything is on track. Now, let's talk about how the money moves. Your money will transfer to your bank account instantly using a service called InstaPay. This is one of the fastest ways to cash out, giving you quick access to your funds. The beauty of InstaPay is that it allows for rapid transactions, so you won't have to wait long to see the funds reflected in your bank. At this point, you can head to your bank or an ATM to withdraw the cash. Use your bank's ATM card to access your funds. This is the final step in turning your digital money into physical cash. Being able to withdraw cash from an ATM adds another layer of convenience. You have the flexibility to access your money whenever you need it. Usually these transfers are instant, which is a huge advantage. You'll have immediate access to your money without unnecessary delays. This speed is one of the key benefits of using Gcash's bank transfer feature. It ensures that you can manage your finances efficiently and effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully cashed out from Gcash using a bank transfer. Keep in mind, each step is designed to be as straightforward as possible. With a little practice, the process will become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy cashing out.